So now in this video we're going to look at the pull-up resistor right here. You can see we got a resistor in series with the switch. When I press the switch, it'll connect to ground and current will flow through the resistor, but that's not what we're interested in right now. There's a lot of components that look at voltage. So if we tap right into where the switch and the resistor connect, we can get a couple definitive voltages. So we got 5 volts at the power supply right there, and so we're going to use the 555 timer soon. At the end of the cable there for the oscilloscope I have alligator clips. I clipped them to these jumpers so that I can easily move them to the board. And so the 555 timer, a couple of the pins, they wait for 0 volts for a low input, at least close. You know, it doesn't have to be exactly 0, but close. And so to keep them off, you can just connect to the positive supply. If it's 5 volts, then it will hold 5 volts. So you can see we're holding 5 volts at that point there. Now you'll see that when I press the switch, we make a direct connection to ground. Now we got 0 volts, and now we got 5. So that's really important. As you can see, if inputs are floating and whatnot, it's easy to give them stray signals. And so this is a way to definitely give it 5 volts or 0 volts. And the resistor is connected to the positive side of the power supply. Right now the switch is open. And so that's why we got 5 volts. It's a direct connection. There's a ton more resistance in the oscilloscope than the resistor, and so it sees the full supply voltage. The switch is open too. There's no connection to ground. When we connect to ground, now we have a direct connection to the negative rail, which we consider 0 volts ground in most circuits. So it's a direct connection. So it sees that. It doesn't see the resistor anymore. It's a lot of resistance compared to a direct connection. So in any case, hope that all made sense. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I'm posting on the screen. Click like, subscribe, the bell, all that. Donate Patreon if you can. That helps out the most. But just watching video helps out a ton. I have links down in the description. I'll see you in the next video.